Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to unveil the incredible world of avocados and their astounding health benefits. Are you ready to transform your life with the power of this superfood? Well, you're in for a treat. So, without further ado, let's dive into the power of avocado, 10 health benefits you should know. 1. Beauty and health. Did you know that avocados are a beauty secret that's been hiding in plain sight? That's right! Avocados are packed with vitamins and healthy fats that can give you glowing skin and luscious hair. Just a few slices a day can make a world of difference. 2. Nutrient powerhouse. Avocados are a nutrient powerhouse. They are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These green gems are rich in potassium, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, and they're packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. The ultimate recipe for a healthier you. 3. Weight management. Struggling with your weight? Avocados can help. The healthy fats in avocados keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing unhealthy snacking. Plus, their fiber content aids in digestion and keeps your metabolism in top gear. So, if you're looking to shed those extra pounds, avocados are your new best friend. 4. Immune system boost. Are you constantly catching colds? Avocados can give your immune system the boost it needs. Packed with vitamins C and E, they help fight off infections and keep you feeling your best. Say goodbye to sick days and hello to vitality. 5. Heart health. Heart disease is a silent killer, but avocados can be your shield. They're proven to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Keep your ticker strong and healthy by including avocados in your diet. 6. Brain boost. Want to boost your brain power? Avocados got you covered. Their monounsaturated fats support healthy blood flow, which is essential for optimal brain function. They can enhance memory and cognitive skills. Avocado is the ultimate brain food. 7. Better vision. Are your eyes feeling tired and strained? Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are great for your eyes. They can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and improve your overall eye health. 8. Digestive health. Struggling with digestive issues? Avocados to the rescue! Their high fiber content promotes a healthy gut and helps prevent constipation. Say goodbye to tummy troubles and hello to a happy belly. 9. Strong bones. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body, and avocados contribute to just that. They're a fantastic source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Keep those bones strong and fracture-free with avocados. 10. Diabetes management. Last but not least, avocados can be a game changer for those dealing with diabetes. Their monounsaturated fats and low sugar content help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a perfect addition to your diabetes management plan. So there you have it, the power of avocado, 10 health benefits you should know. This incredible fruit has the potential to transform your life from your health and well-being to your beauty and vitality. So go ahead, embrace the avocado revolution and make it a part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Remember, your journey to a healthier and happier you starts with a simple avocado. Stay tuned for more life-changing discoveries right here on Health and Body Channel.